Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a makeup look with the ColourPop Perception palette. I've had so many of you guys request that I do a look with this, and I decided to do something with the green eyeshadows today. I'm just really drawn to those in this palette. This palette is just so nice, so pretty. You can do so many different looks with this. I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this CoverGirl Lid Lockup for my eyeshadow primer. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my fingers. Like I showed you guys in the intro, I'm going in with the Perception Shayla and ColourPop collab palette. Like, I just love the shades in here. First, I'm gonna go in with Culture, and I'm gonna use that in the crease. Next, I'm going in with IE, which is this really pretty green. And I'm just packing that on a shader brush. And I'm just gonna put that on the first part of my eyelid. And I love this green. It's such a pretty green. It has like gold kind of flecks in it. It's like a gold green. It's very pigmented. Then I'm gonna flip the brush over and go in with this shade called Sassy right here. It's like a really pretty duochrome. And I'm gonna pat that color here on the last half of the eyelid, overlapping with that green with IE. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade called Played Out and my Sigma E25 blending brush. And I'm gonna work this shade here in the outer V, and I'm also gonna take it into the crease. And blend those other colors out in the crease. I love, love, love this color combination. Just makes, you know, any green that you have in your eye just stand out. Which my eyes are pretty brown, but I have a little bit of green, like around the edge of my eyes. You can't really see it unless you get really close up on my eyes, but it does help to kind of bring those green flecks out. So I just love this eyeshadow combination. It's just so pretty. And then I'm gonna go back with the first shade that we use in the crease called Culture. And I'm just gonna blend that in the crease again, just to blend out that dark brown. Next, I'm gonna go in with a makeup remover wipe and clean this up, and then apply my concealer and foundation, and then I'll go back and finish out like the lower lash line and everything and my inner corner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish out the rest of the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the IE shade, and I'm gonna run this color here on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna smudge that in there. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Unbothered. And I'm gonna pop that here in the inner corner. And I'm also gonna put some of that as my brow bone highlight too. And I'm just going in with the NYX Slide On Glide On pencil in Golden Olive, and I'm using that as my waterline eyeliner. I've been debating whether I want to do liner or not, but I don't think I'm going to do liner with this today just because I really like the way the eyeshadow looks. If you wanted to add liquid liner, you totally could, and I think like a dark brown liquid liner would look best with this. So yeah, that's what I would recommend if you wanted to wear liner with the look. So I'm just going to curl up my lashes just a little bit and put on several coats of my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. For my bronzer, I'm just going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and my Real Techniques powder brush. I've really been enjoying this bronzer again. I mean, I still love my Wet n Wild bronzer, but this one, I don't know, I've just really been enjoying it a lot recently. It's just so easy to blend out, and I feel like it looks super natural on the skin. I'm just going up around my hairline. And if you wanted to contour with this look, you totally could. I haven't really been contouring a whole lot recently. I've just been bronzing, so that's all I'm gonna do with the bronzing part. And then for my blush, I've been getting back into my Hard Candy Baked Bronzer in Party Girl. I just really like this. I think I'm gonna use this today as my blush. It's just something really just neutral, and since, you know, I've got a lot going on with the eyes, I'm just gonna use this because I think it looks good with, you know, green eyeshadow. Also, like, pink colored blushes look really pretty with green eyeshadow too, I feel like. Or like coral, but I just wanted it to be a little more low-key. And then for my highlight today, I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner palette. I've really been loving this, and I'm gonna go in with a mix of these two highlights, the last two. They're very intense, and this highlight, it is a very fine glitter. So, you know, if you don't like glittery highlights, you probably won't enjoy this, but I do like it. I was on the fence with it for a while, but I've decided that I do like it because one day, like, I had stopped using it for a little bit, and every time I would do my highlight, I just wanted to use this. So I dug it back out, and I was like, you know, I do really like this. So a little bit here. About my Cupid's bow. And then I am just gonna go back a little bit with my powder brush and just kind of blend it a little. Blend everything out. And then for the lips, I wanna do something nude. And I got sent a bunch of new CoverGirl lipsticks, like their exhibition lipsticks that they're releasing. I don't know if they've already released them yet, but they sent me a huge PR package of all their lipsticks, and there are so many great shades in that collection, so many awesome nudes. So if you guys would like to see a swatch video where I swatch all those lipsticks on my lips, let me know. I probably would do it more of just me putting them on my lips and just with music or something, just because there are so many in this collection. There's like 48 different shades, I think. So you'll just have to let me know. I think I want to use one of these today, and I got to figure out which one that I want to use. So let me see here. Yeah, I think I might go in with this one. This is in Champagne, and it's a cream finish. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips, And they also sent me some lip liners. I'm trying to find their nude one. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna line my lips with the Exhibitionist lip liner in Caramel Nude. And then the lipstick I'm gonna use is in Champagne. If you would like to see some more looks with this palette, please let me know down in the comments because I do really enjoy this palette. I think it is just so pretty. You can also create some really pretty everyday looks with this. So besides doing colorful looks. So you guys will just have to let me know down below. I hope that you guys have a great day and I will see you all in my next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.
There is something so wrong and lately I don't know what to do. Picture perfect but I'm dying and I know you feel it too. When we both